Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I hope you guys are all doing well. Join me today for a little Shop Your Stash and Let's Craft 2022. Today we are going to create a summer themed masterboard, and from this 12 by 12 sheet we are going to be cutting out different embellishments. Here are some of the supplies you will be needing today. Make sure to shop your stash. Everything we use here is something that we already have, and here are some of the details for this open collaboration. So just remember to have fun. Let's start creating. So first I wanted to show you I have a 12 by 12 scrapbook sheet. I have some scraps of paper and washi. I've already glued some of the pattern paper up top, and I'm going to continue doing this collage on the left side. And for the washi, we can use it as a background, and I'm going to put it diagonally across the page. So let's start crafting. I'm going to play some music. Enjoy! Now that we've completed our masterboard, I have pulled out some of my metal dies and have different shapes, and this is so much fun. If you have different shapes and sizes, the more the merrier. And I have a rectangle one, so I also have this postage shaped one I'm probably going to use as a little journaling card. And let's have a look and see how many embellishments we get. So we got about 10 embellishments and 2 journal cards total. So I'm first going to decorate my journal cards and use some of my chipboard stickers here. So this is a great project to use your stickers, all kinds of stickers. They can be dimensional, they can be flat stickers, and you can decorate it however you want. Any theme, it doesn't have to be necessarily summer, so if you want to join in the fun, You know, it's all about creating and actually using up our stash. And I know a lot of us have washi. I've used washi in my planners and other different projects, but I felt that this is another way you can use it as a background. You can create, you know, texture and layers. And so I am just putting a little sticker on top of my journal card there, and when I'm done, we're going to continue decorating the smaller ones. So I have several tags here, and we have images of ice cream. So I think I'm going to put this orange popsicle, and maybe I'm going to put that lemon. Now I noticed that that lemon looks a little flat in terms of color, so I want to bring a little bit of brightness, and I noticed that I had this beautiful dimensional sticker from Dollar Tree with this bright glittery lemon, so I'm going to put that on top. That's one embellishment down. We have a few to go. We have these larger ones here. Now I'm going to use more of the dimension. We have the ice cream, we have a little popsicle there, and you can use it as a little topper for your card if you would like to use this on top of a card. And here's the round one here. I'm going to add more of the dimensional stickers on top. And I have this cute, adorable pineapple that I've been holding on to for a while, and I think now is the time to use it with summer upon us. It's really warm here in Northern California. Let's see, I think I want to add just one more other detail there. Put some sentiments. It says good times ahead, so I just cut the banner underneath it. I didn't like the orange hanging out, so now we'll work on our tags, and I have 3 of them here. I'm going to work with the one with the ice cream first, and it's fun to kind of just see if you have any other embellishments like this one to see if it fits. It doesn't quite fit the theme, so I decided to go with another slice of lemon. It says happy. I have like a little enamel dot on top, and I'm adding some sunnies on top. And then for our 2 other tags, let's see what else we can put on top. I have some planner stickers, and I thought I would put a little writing spot on there. It says today. So one has a coconut tree, and then this one's just plain. So I'm going to add that. So that's another way you can use it. And then for our postage stamps on top, I also usually like using this as little prompts. So they have different sentiments on each one, and I'll give you a closer look of what that looks like once we're done. So I'm just putting a couple more stickers using our planner stickers up, and I'm just picking this one here, and I'm going to add one more, and then we will look at the embellishments that we made from our 12 by 12 Masterboard. So there are different ways to make it. You can use old book pages, but this is summer theme. I thought I would just go with something nice and bright, and here is another look at our fun embellishments and stickers that we got to use, and washi that we got to mix up as a background. We also have a couple of our journaling cards and some little postage stamps that we can use as little tabs or just as little prompts on your planner. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little craft with me session. I hope you guys can join in the fun. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. Bye.